First law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics is a version of the law of conservation of energy, specialized for thermodynamical system. We have seen that internal energy U of the system changes through two modes energy transfer. First, heat. Second, work. Let delta Q equals to heat supplied to system by surroundings. Delta W equals to work done by the system on the surrounding. Delta U equals to change in internal energy of the system. Then using general principle of conservation of energy, we get delta Q equals to delta U plus delta W. And this equation is called first law of thermodynamics. Or we say that the energy given to a system is partially used in increasing the internal energy of the system and rest is used to do work. We have work done by a system against a constant pressure is given by W equals to PV, or change in work done delta W equals to P delta V, and equation becomes delta Q equals to delta U plus P delta V. In the thermal interactions, there is a sign convention to be followed. W is positive if work is done by the system. W is negative if work is done on the system. Q is positive if heat is given to the system. Q is negative if heat is taken out of the system. As an application of equation, consider the change in internal energy for 1 gram of water when we go from its liquid to vapor phase. The measured latent heat of water is 2256 joule per gram. That is, for 1 gram of water, delta Q equals to 2256 joule. At atmospheric pressure, 1 gram of water has a volume 1 centimeter cube in liquid phase and 1671 centimeter cube in vapor phase. Therefore, delta W equals to P V gas minus V liquid equals to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5. 1671 minus 1, 10 to the power minus 6 equals to 169.2 joule. Using equation derived, we get delta U equals to 2256 minus 169.2 equals to 2086.8 joule. We see that most of the heat goes to increase the internal energy of water in transition from the liquid to the vapor phase. Note: please note that units of pressure measurement are 1 atm equals to 1.013 bar. 1 bar equals to 10 to the power 5 Pa equals to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square.